是由英国创作才子艾登希兰于2014年6月发布的一首歌曲。这首歌呢，曾被提名年度格莱美最佳歌曲。接下来呢，我们就有请蓝鸟乐队为我们带来这首歌《照片》。
Photograph is a song written by singer-songwriter Ed Sheeran. The song is inspired by the challenges in a long-distance relationship with his then-girlfriend. Now, let's have a rendition by Arkansas Bluebird, Photograph.
You guys can sing along, you know the lyrics.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes, but it's the only thing that keeps us feeling alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We listen for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until your eyes meet. You will never be alone. Wait for me to come home. One more time. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, but it's the only thing that I know. I swear it would get easier. Remember that with every piece of you, and that's the only thing take us where we die. We make this photograph. We keep this love in my breath, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until your eyes meet. You will never be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. We will never let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can keep me inside a necklace you got when you were 16. Next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. You will never let you go. And I know I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street. Hear you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home. Thank you.